silalela izilungise uqala uyilungise ngoba sokwenza ivideo labo serious and ngifuna abantu basifakele imali bazowafaka ama-million. Wena ngifuna u-act engazuthi udeaf awuzwe emadlebeni and ublind awubone emehlweni yabo, and then bona ngizobapostela-ke ivideo bazobe sebesifakela imali. Asiyiqale kahle-ke silungisele. Are you right? Okay, sure, siyaqala. Hi guys, my name is Siyabonga Mpungose, and this is my daughter Ibanathi Mpungose, and she is deaf and blind as well. And ke siyacela la ku social media nisifakele imali eningasifakela yona kwi account yami, ngitransfer nje ngendlela nayo nisifakele lokho uzoba right ndoda. Imahoza wena sisaqhubeka nevideo. Ima
ngikhathi ngomkhwanazi angeke usiubugebengu loba ingeke baba thole ingane ozoyenza njalo ngeke ayingeke
ima wena soyithola kanjani imali?
Baba umkhwanazi
Imalinda